Do you own a Kia Soul and you are getting this error right here to check brake light? And it even shows you where the brake light that's messing up is. Well, don't worry, I'll show you how to take care of that today. Okay, so first and foremost, we have these 4 Phillip head screws. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go ahead and remove these. So normally at this point, I would tell you to get a plastic little pry tool. I can't find mine, so you can always get a screwdriver. Take a little piece of napkin around it. We're going to use that to safely pry it out. So first you can try to give it a little pull. It may not want to come out. This is where the little screwdriver comes in. You just want to stick it in there, pop it right out. There we go. Okay, so once you pull it out, this is what it's going to look like. You got all sorts of bulbs all over the place. This is the one we want to get into. So all we're going to do now is just take it, and it's super easy to unlock. You just spin it. Once it turns, you should be able to come out with it. As you can see, yeah, that thing is burnt. So if we look here, we can see that it is burnt. It did pop, so we do need to change it. Now the one you change it with will be this one right here. Try to remember that you don't really want to touch it with your bare hands like I'm doing here. You want to wear gloves. This way you ensure a long-lasting bulb. But this one I actually need to replace again anyways, because this was not a new bulb. This is an old bulb. I got to order a new bulb. But this will get them by for tonight. It's just a spare bulb I had for today. At this point, we want to go ahead and check our system. Make sure that it is working. Okay, so we just want to go ahead and turn it back on. Now it's going to show that our lift gate is open. Or you may get that right off the bat. Press the brake pedal and that will go away. Now we can hit OK. And as you can see, our problem is now gone. Now the reason you want to hit your brake pedal is simply because you need to be able to send the signal up to the computer to let it know that it's working fine. And that's all there is to it. So if you need further advice with this car, so say you need an oil change or need to learn how to do X, Y, or Z, just let me know and I'll try to make a video on it. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks.